Viviana and Walter and her parents are coming over today.
Is Alex coming?
Yes. You want to swim? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Mama, you know what you need to do to me? Mama, you know what you need to do to me, Dad?
Hold on.
This is awesome. Zoom in.
Sweetie, I really have to hold on to Lanny.
Can you zoom in?
Hey,
while
you guys, can you move out of the way a little bit? I want to get Lanny on tape.
Oh, why not?
What? You can move on the
You
other side for a
can.
minute. Move to the other side.
It's a digital zoom though, so. So you know, yesterday I tried taking her deep and letting her float up, and I don't know if it was coincidence or the depth, but she drank a little water with that, so I haven't tried that again.
To go deep?
I
I've gone down with her.
Huh?
I've gone down with her.
Okay.
What? She just wants me to like, want to go under? One.
No, Lisa, don't let her just go under. You know what you do? Tell her to go to Cassandra, and she actually learns how to pump, you know, and actually move.
Yeah, we've been doing that.
What?
She wants something else.
She wants me?
I guess.
What, baby? It's cold out here.
Yeah,
It's kind of
cold when
windy.
you're wet. The water is super warm, but when you get out, it's chilly.
Yeah, very chilly.
And he's like, okay.
Alex, it's a lot warmer if you're in the water.
Hey, Lenny Bear.
I don't care.
Lenny,
Should not
say hi.
that.
She's going home. Lenny, swim the sissy. Swim the sissy.
See, I told you, missing a karate strength.
You want to get out? Wait a minute. Let's go over here.
Wait, Lisa. She wants to get out. Let her get out.
Okay, let's go up the stairs. You can get out.
Dad, push me in.
No. We're not pushing anybody in today, okay?
Yes.
All right. Way to.
No, Alex, no, those are mine. They're not yours. You're everyone's. Well, you know what? You are everyone's. So you know what? If you fall in, I'm gonna laugh.
Lanny,
What did we say about eating at the pool?
it's gonna be cold.
Oh, Lisa, get a towel at her, sweetie.
Dimitri, you're out.
You want me to touch this?
Yeah, it's a little warmer in here, isn't it?
Like, I want my daddy, but I don't want to get out.
Don't want him that bad. You want to stand on the side?
Yeah.
All right. Can you stay there for 1 second? Stay there. You don't need to swim. You can stay. We're going. Where are you going? Come here. Come to mommy.
That's not good. Tina.
Gonna get some noodles.
Daddy.
Yeah, baby.
Daddy.
You want Daddy to get in?
Yeah.
Tell Daddy say get in.
Yeah.
Oh, where are you going? I don't know how long is okay to leave her. So
I know.
if you get out, it's really cold.
Daddy, get in. Daddy, get in your clothes.
I want to spray for the mosquitoes again today. What do you think?
Daddy, get in your clothes.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
This backyard is a total
Alex, are
catastrophe.
you not supposed to be eating by the pool? You're not supposed to be eating by the pool.
Daddy.
Since when?
Daddy.
Yes,
Have my
sweetie.
backstroke.
Okay, let me see.
Kick your
Like,
legs.
Daddy, he wants me.
Your face shouldn't be eating by the pool.
Tina, that's pretty good, sweetie.
Watch her dive in and do a freestyle across the pool. Tina? Need to go ahead and turn it off for a little bit.
All right.